In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize multi-reddits for focused browsing. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to turn scattered subreddits into clean, custom feeds that match exactly what you want to see, and nothing you don't. First, open Reddit and head to any community or subreddit you're interested in. This could be a topic you're researching, a hobby you follow, or a type of news you want to keep separate from everything else. Think of this subreddit as one of the building blocks for a custom, focused browsing experience. Once you're on that subreddit's main page, look for the three dots icon. Depending on your device, this is usually near the top of the page, close to the subreddit name, or the join button. These three dots open a small menu with extra options that are easy to miss if you're just scrolling. Click on the three dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option that says Add to Custom Feed. This is Reddit's way of letting you build what used to be known as multi-reddits. Personalized feeds that combine posts from several different subreddits into a single stream. After you click Add to Custom Feed, you'll see the choice to create a custom feed. Select this option. Now you're setting up the first version of your focused feed. You'll be asked to give your custom feed a name. Pick something that clearly describes its purpose, like tech news, study mode, or relaxing content. A clear name helps you quickly recognize it later, especially if you decide to create several different feeds for different moods or tasks. Once your custom feed is created, this subreddit is now part of that focused stream. From now on, when you open that custom feed, you'll see posts from this community and any others you add to the same feed. To refine your focused browsing even more, repeat this process on other related subreddits. Go to the next community, click the three dots, select Add to Custom Feed, and then choose the feed you just created instead of making a new one. Over time, you'll build a highly curated feed that only shows content relevant to a specific interest or activity. Using custom feeds like this can make Reddit feel far less chaotic and a lot more intentional, helping you stay focused while still enjoying the content you care about most.